Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta Pickleball Paddle. Take your pickleball game to the next level with the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta paddle, a perfect blend of advanced technology and expert craftsmanship. Designed for players who value precision, control, and versatility, this paddle empowers you to place the ball exactly where you want it, every time. Built with a slightly longer 16.45-inch frame and a 5.35-inch handle, the LUXX Control Air Invikta provides extended reach and optimal leverage for two-handed backhands. Its fluorite carbon fiber face paired with a 20mm thick honeycomb core ensures unmatched accuracy without sacrificing power, giving each shot a controlled, consistent feel. The paddle's mid-weight design makes it remarkably agile on the court, cutting effortlessly through the air and reducing drag. Players often notice faster reaction times and smoother swings, turning every volley into a confident play. Whether you're executing delicate drop shots or powerful drives, this paddle responds intuitively, offering a balance of control and speed that suits all levels of play. Beyond performance, the LUXX Control Air Invikta impresses with sleek, modern aesthetics and durable construction, making it as visually striking as it is reliable. While it may not have the extreme pop of some specialized paddles, its overall versatility and consistent performance make it a top choice for competitive and recreational players alike. With its current value-driven pricing, the Selkirk LUXX Control Air Invikta stands out as the ultimate all-around paddle, perfect for those who want control, power, and precision in every game. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. Step onto the court with confidence with the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle, an ideal choice for beginners and recreational players looking for a high-quality, wallet-friendly option. Designed to maximize control without compromising comfort, this paddle makes learning the game easier while still allowing competitive play. The Radical Elite features a durable honeycomb core and a fiberglass face that provides a smooth, responsive hitting surface. Its wide paddle face gives you a larger sweet spot, making it easier to connect clean shots and execute precise placements. The foam handle, designed with a length similar to a tennis racket, ensures a comfortable grip for longer rallies and added stability during swings. While this paddle prioritizes control over raw power, its lightweight design allows for fast, agile movements on the court, helping you refine technique and develop consistency in your game. It's perfect for players who are just starting out or those who want a reliable paddle for casual and club play. The Head Radical Elite stands out for its value, retailing around $70. It performs like a paddle worth closer to $100. Its combination of durability, comfort, and control makes it a thoughtful and practical gift for players of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned athletes in need of a backup paddle. With the Radical Elite, you get a paddle that's easy on the wallet, comfortable in your hand, and capable of helping you improve your game, making every match more enjoyable and confident. Number 3. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. Elevate your game with the Selkirk Power Air Epic Pickleball Paddle, the ultimate choice for players seeking professional-grade performance and precision. Trusted by elite athletes on the PPA Tour, this paddle combines cutting-edge technology, superior craftsmanship, and sleek design to deliver a truly epic experience on the court. The Power Air Epic features an elongated paddle face and handle, providing a generous surface area and optimal leverage for double-handed backhands. Its innovative air vent technology reduces drag, allowing for faster swings and added whip on every serve and drive, perfect for power players who want to dominate the game. Beyond speed, the paddle offers exceptional feel and control. The cushioned, luxurious handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, while the carefully engineered paddle edges prevent awkward bounces, giving you cleaner returns even near the perimeter. Every shot feels deliberate, smooth, and responsive, making it easier to execute precise placements or powerful smashes. Lightweight yet robust, the Selkirk Power Air Epic combines agility with strength, making it feel like holding the Ferrari of pickleball paddles. Its sleek, modern design reflects the pinnacle of paddle technology, signaling your commitment to serious play. Designed for advanced players who demand the best, the Power Air Epic is more than a paddle, it's a statement of performance, precision, and style. If you're ready to invest in your game, this paddle delivers professional-level quality that transforms every match into a winning experience. Number 4. Onix Graphite Z5. Step onto the court with confidence with the Onix Graphite Z5 pickleball paddle, a favorite among professional and recreational players alike. Known for its exceptional control and clean returns, this paddle brings the precision of graphite construction to players at an outstanding value. Crafted with a lightweight graphite face and an Onix honeycomb core, the Z5 offers superb responsiveness and a powerful sweet spot, minimizing dead zones and maximizing accuracy on every shot. Its well-balanced design allows for effortless maneuverability, giving you control over your placement whether you're executing delicate drop shots, spins, or aggressive volleys. The paddle's slightly elongated shape provides extra surface area, making it easier to connect cleanly on every hit. Ideal for serves, the Z5 allows you to generate spin and speed with confidence, helping you dominate rallies and dictate play. Its durable construction ensures consistent performance over time, making it suitable for all skill levels. Beginners will appreciate its forgiving feel and consistent response, while intermediate and advanced players will value its precision and professional-grade quality. Weighing in as a lightweight yet robust paddle, the Onix Graphite Z5 combines power, control, and finesse into a single, versatile tool. With its accessible price point under $100, it delivers the performance of high-end paddles without breaking the bank. Upgrade your game and experience why the Z5 is trusted by pros for its balance, accuracy, and exceptional playability. Number 5. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. Elevate your pickleball game with the JOOLA Ben John's LUXX control paddle, crafted in collaboration with Ben Johns, a PPA Tour legend with 123 title wins. Designed for players who demand precision, power, and next-level technology, this paddle delivers pro-level performance for serious athletes and competitive players alike. The LUXX control features a charged carbon surface with enhanced stability, giving each shot a crisp, precise feel and improved energy return. Its bond-treated construction ensures durability and a responsive poppier sensation on contact, helping you execute everything from line drives and drops to dinks and counters with confidence. At the heart of this paddle is the patent-pending propulsion core, engineered to provide explosive power without sacrificing control. Combined with an elongated paddle face and generous hitting surface, you'll enjoy a massive sweet spot, fewer miss-hits, and superior spin potential, turning every shot into a tactical advantage. This paddle also incorporates cutting-edge NFC chip technology, allowing access to the JOOLA Connect app. Connect with a community of players, watch personalized training videos, track your performance, and enjoy gamified learning tailored to your style of play. Lightweight, durable, and designed for optimal control and power, the JOOLA Ben John's LUXX control paddle is ideal for players seeking professional-level performance and smart features. Whether you're refining your technique, competing in tournaments, or exploring advanced training, this paddle offers everything you need to dominate the court while staying connected to the modern game.